Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bill, and today I'll be presenting on business intelligence, transforming data into business insights. This presentation examines a CIO article by Thor Alvesrod and Josh Frulinger about business intelligence, or BI, and we're going to explore how BI helps organizations analyze mountains of data into actual useful insights. As you see on our agenda, we'll cover the critical issues from the article, key learnings, textbook connections, organizational benefits, and the technologies that are involved in BI implementation. So, for the next few minutes, I'll explain some of these key concepts of BI, benefits, technologies, and how it connects to what we've learned in our textbook. Let's start by examining the critical issues discussed in the article. There are four major challenges that stand out. First, data-driven decision making can be challenging for many organizations. Transforming raw data into actionable insights requires balancing the technical complexity with accessibility for your everyday users. Second, there's an important distinction between BI and business analytics. BI focuses on descriptive analytics, which is understanding what happened, while business analytics looks forward with predictive capabilities. Third, data integration presents some significant challenges. Organizations must combine internal databases with external sources to create unified, trusted data repositories. And finally, self-service BI implementation requires carefully balancing between IT control with business user flexibility. This means empowering the non-technical users while maintaining proper data governance. From the article, we gain several valuable insights. So, business intelligence is defined as a set of strategies and technologies for analyzing business information and transforming it into actionable insights. It encompasses a comprehensive toolkit for data analysis. Think of it as the process of turning raw numbers into meaningful information that helps companies understand what's happening, why it's happening, and what might happen next. For example, a retail store might use BI to analyze sales data and discover that there's certain products that sell better on the weekends, which leads them to adjust their inventory and staff accordingly. The benefits of BI implementation are substantial. Organizations gain faster analysis through intuitive dashboards, improved decision making with data driven insights, enhanced customer and employee experiences, and increased competitive advantage through better market monitoring. The BI technology landscape includes various tools like dashboards, visualizations, reporting tools, data integration technologies, and analytics platforms. Popular solutions include Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and Qlik. The article strongly connects with several concepts from our textbook. The textbook emphasizes high quality and timely information to support decision making, which directly aligns with how the article highlights BI's role in helping decision makers access the information when they need it. Both sources discuss data integration and management challenges, particularly extracting insights from growing volumes of structured and unstructured data. The textbook also covers BI tools used at various decision-making levels, while the article details specific implementations, including reports, dashboards, and visualizations. Both distinguish between descriptive analytics, which is looking backward, and predictive analytics, which is looking forward. They essentially look at it from different angles. And finally, both sources emphasize competitive advantage through information systems, with the article specifically noting how BI helps businesses monitor their changing market and anticipate customer needs. Organizations implementing business intelligence systems realize that there are several key benefits. First, they achieve faster, more informed decision making by delivering accurate data to decision makers more quickly, supporting both strategic and tactical business decisions with confidence. Operational improvements become possible, as shown in the supply chain example, where BI helps identify delays and inconsistencies in the shipping processes. You have benchmark performance against goals and be able to identify areas for improvement. User experience are enhanced through data-driven customer service. There's also an increased employee satisfaction by reducing the friction between your IT department and your business department, and just an overall greater organizational efficiency through integrated data access. Let's consider Netflix as a powerful example of BI in action. So Netflix, by analyzing what millions of viewers watch, when they pause, and even what thumbnail images they click on, Netflix has revolutionized content delivery. Their data analysis convinced them to bet $100 million on The House of Cards, which is a TV show, Frank Underwood. Not sure if anyone's seen it. It's pretty great. But their recommendation system now influences 80% of what subscribers choose to watch. They can even spot patterns that indicate when someone might cancel their subscription, allowing them to take preventative action. Kind of scary, but for businesses, obviously very effective. This just shows how smart data use creates real competitive advantage that drive business success. The business intelligence ecosystem employs several technologies. So you have core BI tools include dashboards for visual data presentation, reporting tools for standardized business reporting, data visualization capabilities for creating charts, graphs, and maps, ETL technologies for moving data between systems, OLAP for multi-dimensional analysis and data mining for pattern discovery. Ultimately, the popular BI platforms that are mentioned in the article include Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Qlik, Oracle Analysis Cloud, SAS, Sisense, and Domo. For the audience, I would be curious to know, how do you think business intelligence might evolve as artificial intelligence becomes more prevalent in today's age? This concludes my presentation for today. Thank you all for your attention. I hope this presentation has given you valuable insights into the world of business intelligence and its transformative potential for modern businesses. If you have any additional questions or would even like to discuss this topic further, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is on the last slide, and I'd be happy to continue the conversation. Thank you again.